Hey guys, welcome to Sponges to Spatula. This is Pallavi. This video is a complete honest review video on the much hyped and viral product that is rotating everywhere on the internet. You keep on seeing about this electric comb. Basically, this is the electric comb which claims works as 4-in-1, which acts as a straightener, curler, hair dryer, everything. So in this video I'll be showing the practical application, pros and cons, and finally whether you should go for it or not, though it's completely subjective, but I'll give you my review on this comb, that whether you should use or not. So let's get started. Okay ladies, you can see this side I had used the dryer and this side I let it dry by itself. Though to make a fair comparison, I have used my general comb here at least 20 times so that there is a natural comparison between these two sides, because you do use several times your comb. So let's discuss about the pros and cons that I found in this electrical comb. The very first, let's talk about the positive points. Though they are saying it's 4-in-1 electric comb, it mentions itself to be 4-in-1 electric comb, but at least I found it 2-in-1 for sure. It's definitely a dryer and comb in itself, and as far as straightening is concerned, it does straighten your hair to 80 to 90%. So we can say it's at least 3-in-1, no doubt of it. I had straightened my hair at 2.5 hours before. I let it I left for some time before recording this so that I wanted to see its effect. Does it really gets maintained or it gets immediately smashed out? So I think it's a positive thing that yes, it does work, it is effective. It takes lesser time than your electric irons for straightening your hair. For the con part, it is quite a big comb, you can see, and not only big, but it is heavy. You do feel a weight in your hand. After 10 minutes, you'll start feeling your pain in your hand. And it does make a very loud sound, which is also irritating to your ears. And let's talk about the box and its features. Okay, how do you use it? So before using this, you need to apply some heat-proof cream to your hair or heat proof spray so that it doesn't damage. In long run it will damage, and if your hair is already damaged, rough, then please first take care of it. Use conditioner and then use this iron. It will be of great help. It will work more efficiently than just after shampooing. Then you need to use this just after your shower when your hair is completely wet. Then it does its work most effectively. In dry hair it is not very effective. It will take much longer time and it won't be very productive as well. So these were pros and cons of this comb. Let's now talk about the features that it contains. So the retailing price at which I got this material, this comb, was $14.99. Okay, let's talk about its packaging and what all features does it contain. So it came in this type of box. I didn't bought it from Amazon. I ordered it on its official site through Instagram. So what does it mentions? It mentions one-step hair dryant styler, smooth, frizz-free blowout in half the time. Okay, so it promises that it does dries your hairs frizz-free in half the time. So I will yes, accept this, that it does take half the time, but it's not necessary that it is frizz free, because if you haven't used conditioner, if you are not taking care of your hair, then the hair is definitely going to be frizzy. After drying and straightening, it won't be very effective, because I tried it once before shooting this. On the regular day, just after shampooing, neither did I use any conditioner, nor did I use any heat protecting spray. So my hair wasn't really straightened. It was just looking like it was dried, and it was very frizzy, and it was flying. It was voluminous, but it was looking very, very bad. But today I have applied hair mask first, then I washed it with a good shampoo, and I used conditioner. Though I haven't used a heat proof spray right now because I don't have it currently, so I have just used this brush and I'm showing you the result. So let's read what else it is mentioning. Okay, the power is 1200 watt, so it's European professional quality, but those who are conscious about Chinese product, let me add this in quote, it is made in China. I didn't knew that. I just ordered after seeing its promos. Quite tempting. So what all advantages it does mention? This kind of leaflet is there. It has certain mentions. So let's read about it. Advantages of our blow dryer brush: ionic technology for healthier hair, ultra lightweight body. That is wrong. It's not ultra lightweight. It's quite heavy, and your hand starts paining. So powerful 1200 watt motor dries hair in 60% faster than regular blow dryer. 3 heat and 2 speed setting. That's true. It has 3 heat and 2 speed setting. Ceramic heater. Safety instructions: the appliance should never be left unattended when it's plugged in. Keep it out of reach of children. Don't use it when found any place on it is chipped or cracked. Mind it. If you find it cracked or chipped, never use it. Don't use it when the appliance is defective or the cord is damaged. Yes, point to be noted. Never use the appliance in the water or other liquids. Don't hold the handle with wet hands. Don't use this appliance near a bathtub, shower, or any container full of water. Don't use this appliance near aerosol cans, spray products, or other toiletries. Never reach for an electrical appliance that has fallen into the water, but switch off the power supply at the main breaker, then unplug. Rest is blah 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 blah. Then it's given maintenance and care, operating instructions, warranty policy. Let's read the warranty policy. Products are manufactured with the highest standards and will provide you with superior performance when used in accordance with the instructions of the manual. We provide 30 days replacement and 2 months warranty. Any questions or dissatisfaction, please feel free to contact us. We will reply you at the first time. Okay guys, so this was all about this electrical comb. For me it's a yay. I think it was a fair deal, though the price was at the pricier end, but it's okay. As far as the work is concerned, it is doing its work as it is promising. You can still see that I have used at least 20 times this comb in the general side where I have not used the electrical comb, and this side I had used the electrical comb. I haven't combed it yet. It was done 2 hours before and it's still good to go. So I think